Shiba Inu is falling, but that might not be the case for much longer, and here's why. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I know this doesn't look great. I know that Shiba Inu unfortunately did take a little bit of a tumble last night, kind of in the evening from about 7 to 9 o'clock. And especially into the early hours in the morning. Again, yes, I know if you look at the chart, it just doesn't look pretty, okay? And I'll be the first to say that, right? This is unfortunate, okay? We had a very nice recovery here that we pushed up into those new highs right around that area, right? And then unfortunately, of course, we dropped off the face of the earth again. And now we're back down here. Now, this is not a Shiba Inu specific problem, and I have to say that every video because, again, Shiba Inu is still doing very well. If you look at CoinMarketCap and look at the overall cryptocurrency market, as you can see, guys, we're still down 5.03%. And because of that, the overall market's down, guys. Look at all of these charts. Look at all this red. Do you see it? It's all there, guys. Like, I mean, I'm serious. Like, look at all of this red. The whole market is just in turmoil right now. One of the big reasons for this is unfortunately due to the CPI data that came back basically saying that, hey, the Feds are likely going to raise rates sooner than expected because of course inflation, which we all kind of knew was coming in the first place. But unfortunately, it looks like the overall investing markets in both these the stock and the crypto markets didn't really see it coming, I guess. So now we're here, and now unfortunately it looks like a lot of us have been taken off guard, myself kind of included. I'm not gonna lie, but it's okay, guys. Again, this kind of stuff happens. I was very, in other videos I was saying I was expecting us to see a little bit more of turmoil in the markets just because of the data that was still out there that I think a lot of people are still really unsure about, and these types of things happen. Let's talk a little bit though more about Shiba Inu and some news that's coming out, because there are still some good pieces of news coming out that I think will overall help the price in the future and hopefully benefit the overall Shiba Inu community. By the way, guys, those previous videos that we made yesterday where I said, hey, I wouldn't be surprised if the market does pull back a little bit more, you guys got to hit the subscribe button so you guys never miss a new video that we post every day. Again, it's absolutely free. Best way to support the channel, best way to get access to news on a daily and even hour by hour basis with Shiba Inu. We literally post breaking news as it's breaking, so if that sounds interesting, again, hit the subscribe button, guys. It's absolutely free. But let's talk news. AMC Theaters, cancel that. AMC Theaters on track to accept Dogecoin and Shiba Inu payments in Q1, CEO confirms. This is big stuff, guys. This was something that a lot of the community was really hoping on, especially after the whole AMC debacle that we witnessed just this last year in last January, about a year ago now. But again, this was a very big deal. Let's read a little bit about this a little bit more and see what this entails. So Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are coming to AMC Theaters soon. The CEO of AMC Theaters, Adam Aron, has provided an update on his company's progress in accepting meme currencies Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. AMC Entertainment Holdings, aka AMC Theaters, is the largest movie exhibition company in the US, Europe, and the world. The company owns or operates approximately 950 theaters and 10,500 screens globally. So Aaron tweeted Thursday that he has been asked repeatedly when AMC expects to accept Dogecoin and Shiba Inu cryptocurrencies for any and all payments made via the AMC website and mobile app. He clarified that it is being told that AMC is still well on track for the promised Q1 implementation, noting that the exact month is most likely March. So there we go, guys. The official kind of statement by Adam Aron, who of course is the CEO of AMC, has basically stated that in March, more than likely we will see the basically full implementation of payment sources being accepted, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. This is big news for the overall community of Shiba Inu, and I think this is big news for the overall utility of Shiba Inu. We want to see Shiba Inu being utilized more in its utility, and I think that this is a great way to get started. So again, very exciting stuff to see either way, and cool developments going on behind the scenes as well. We also have this is the kind of the same thing, basically just saying that here's the timeline for AMC, Dogecoin, routinely accept all that kind of fun stuff. Again, basically the same thing we covered, but either way, very exciting stuff. Either way, I keep saying either way, but it's cool. Let's talk a little bit of technical analysis, because I know you guys are probably thinking, well, what's the point of this good news if the price is still sucking? Well, There is some good news. We are bouncing back quite nicely from these lows. As you can see, the Shiba Inu army is buying up a lot of coins right now in this instance, guys. Look at all of this buying volume and buying pressure that we're seeing just over the last 24 hours. Lots to see, lots to discover here. And overall, what I'm seeing from all of this is that the overall Shiba Inu community is buying the dip, right? And congratulations to you guys if you guys are doing that. If you're diamond handing through this crash and you're continuing to buy up your kind of hold of Shiba Inu, it's always awesome to see. And we're seeing a few green candles start to form here towards the upside, which is really nice to see either way. Now, you're probably wondering, where's this going? Are we going to see a future rise in price sooner rather than later? And if that does happen, how is that going to play out? When will that happen? Will it ever happen? So let's discuss. So basically what I think will likely happen is, unfortunately, until the CPI inflation data starts to kind of stabilize out and we start to see some kind of message, some clear direct message from the Fed about raising rates. Because the thing is, guys, what sucks about this is that this is happening only at the behest of the Fed saying that they might, or sooner rather than later, they are thinking about raising rates. This isn't even from the Fed actually raising the rates to begin with. And if that does happen, we'll likely see huge corrections in the stock market and more than likely huge corrections in the cryptocurrency market. So you're probably wondering, should I wait? Well, we don't know when the Fed's going to raise the rates. They could raise them now. They could raise them in 5 years. What they mean by soon isn't necessarily, oh, next week, next 2 months, right? We don't know exactly. So keep that in mind. One of the major things you guys need to take away from this. But what I'm doing is buying the dip still with small quantities. Okay, it's very small quantities. If this thing dips majorly, and I mean like majorly, then I'm going to start buying much more heavily and start investing a lot more. But right now, I'm not investing that much, guys. I'm going very light. In fact, I'm investing a little bit of money here, a little bit of there. Yesterday I bought the dip, and I bought the dip I think 2 days ago as well. And now, if we dip even lower than this, again, probably gonna have to buy the dip once again as well. Just the way it goes, guys. Hey, listen, this is a volatile industry. This is a volatile market. And of course, Shiba Inu is a volatile coin. These types of things happen. If you actually guys want to see exactly where we bought the dip yesterday, on the overall dip, you guys got to join our private Discord. Again, if you want access to our private buy and sell alerts in this community, I think this is a great way to get started. Super affordable, super amazing community of like-minded individuals, all on the same path to financial freedom. And I think you guys will really enjoy it either way. We're going to wrap this whole video up, guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Good luck out there. Again, it's a little hairy out there, but hey, it'll be okay. I think we'll all be okay at the end of the day. I'm still holding, and I'm not planning on selling anytime soon. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.